In this video, you'll learn about the exciting benefits of Delta-8 THC and the best ways to use Delta-8, which is a very popular new cannabinoid on the market. Delta-8 THC is a natural compound derived from hemp plants that is very similar to Delta-9 THC, which is the main compound in marijuana that gets you high. So what are the benefits of Delta-8 compared to Delta-9 THC? Delta-8 is very popular for its unique mood-enhancing effects, including a clear head and calm energy lift. And because it's less psychoactive than Delta-9, people love it because it can be taken during the day without feeling groggy. Delta-8 is also an option if you're looking for a recreational buzz or relief from symptoms of stress, anxiety, or physical discomforts, but want to avoid the adverse side effects of Delta-9, such as anxiety, paranoia, depression, or feelings of sluggishness. So these are big benefits for people who are helped medicinally by using Delta-9 THC, but don't want Delta-9's potential side effects or the higher cost of going to a dispensary. And here's some more benefits. According to the National Cancer Institute, Delta-8 is a type of THC with many specific potential benefits. First, it's antiemetic, which means it helps reduce nausea. And it's anxiolytic, which means it helps reduce anxiety. And it's also analgesic, so it helps reduce pain. And it's also neuroprotective, which means it helps your brain and your nervous system. So where does Delta-8 THC come from? Delta-8 is extracted from the CBD oil found in hemp plants, which is why, like CBD, Delta-8 is legal under federal law. However, some states do have laws against Delta-8, so you need to check to make sure that it's legal in your state. The next question is, how do you choose which Delta-8 products to use? The most popular types of Delta-8 products are Delta-8 vaping, tinctures, and Delta-8 gummies. Each of these Delta-8 products are consumed and processed by the body differently. So your experience can be very different in terms of how long it takes to feel the effects and how long the effects last. Vaping is the best way to use Delta-8 if you're looking for fast-acting effects, which you can start to feel within minutes after taking a puff, and these effects generally last 3 to 4 hours. Vape carts that contain Delta-8 are often combined with other cannabinoids to create a more complex effect profile, and various terpenes also contribute to the flavor profile. Next most popular are Delta-8 gummies. Because they're so easy to use, they come in a variety of delicious fruity flavors, and it's easier to get the right dose because each gummy comes with a pre-measured amount of Delta-8 THC. Keep in mind when you take Delta-8 gummies, it takes time for your body to digest them, so it usually takes 1 to 2 hours to feel the full effect, but the effects last 8 to 10 hours. The other types of popular Delta-8 products are tinctures, flowers, and capsules. Delta-8 tinctures are usually taken under the tongue so they get into the bloodstream faster than Delta-8 capsules. So with tinctures you usually feel the effects within an hour. Smoking Delta-8 flower is another option, and just like vaping, it delivers the effects faster than other consumption methods. Delta-8 THC is a very potent cannabinoid. You should be careful to follow the recommended doses listed on each product, and after you know your tolerance, you can adjust the dosage accordingly. And if you're new to cannabis in general, take it slow. When vaping, you may only need a few puffs. And if you're taking Delta-8 edibles, remember it can take a couple hours to feel the full effect. In summary, Delta-8 is an exciting new and very popular cannabinoid that has a lot of potential benefits. But all hemp products are not created equal, and everybody's situation is a bit different, so it can take a little time to find the right Delta-8 product and dosage for you. I recommend, if you can, to visit a local CBD store that carries a variety of high-quality Delta-8 products, so you can get your questions answered and get a more personalized solution. So you can get the buzz you want and the relief you need with high-quality Delta-8 products.